Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add any website links as app shortcut icons in the home screen of any Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here firstly just open any web browser on your respective Android smartphones. So firstly let me show you by opening the Chrome web browser. Say I've opened one website, that is a Google website, and say I want to add this website link as app shortcut icons in the home screen. So what you need to do is just click on these three dot icons, and now you will see here one option, add to home screen. Just click on it. Now here you will get two options, to install and to create shortcut. So I'll just select this create shortcut, just click on it, click on add again. I can minimize it. I can see I have added the respective website links as app shortcut icons in my home screen. So similarly, if you're using a Samsung internet, then just open the Samsung internet and open the respective websites, and after that just click on these three horizontal lines on the right bottom corner, and now just click on this add page to, and now you'll see here home screen. Just click on it, click on it again. You can minimize it. You can see we have added this respective website as app shortcut icons. And similarly, if you're using a Edge web browser, then just open any websites again here too, and click on this three horizontal lines on the right bottom corner. Just swipe it towards the left, and now you will see here add to phone. Just click on it. Now you will see here create shortcut. Just click on it, click on add again. You can minimize it. You can see we've added this respective websites as our app shortcut icon. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add any website link as app shortcut icons in the home screen of any Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.